Welcome to sawasdeethailand. Today, nice to see you on my channel, and I am here at the Grand Palace right in the middle of Bangkok. Today video, I would like to take you inside the Grand Palace to showing you the more beautiful and you have not seen before, or even you have visiting the Grand Palace before, you might see something that different after the post-COVID. If you have just meeting me first time, don't forget to subscribe. So let's take a look inside right now. Today I am so exciting because I want to show you this one is one of the most important places and iconic in Thailand. I am at the Grand Palace. We would like to show you the environment in here, such a beautiful place on the today videos. If you are planning to enter to Thailand at this time, and don't miss this place, I am at the Grand Palace, the destination that everyone are well known and one of the most iconic in Thailand. The Grand Palace are separating in different zones between the Grand Palace itself and the Emerald Buddha. You can spend half day totally in here and you complete all these attractions. This spot is when you are coming at the Grand Palace, you should have not missed this spot. Inside there is the Emerald Buddha that every season of every year, the Thai people believe that the beginning of the years, you should come to having a prayer in front of Emerald Buddha for in the future of the good will. And to go inside, camera is not allowed. If you want to take a photo or record some video, you must do it at the front. Visiting the Grand Palace, I will recommend that you should come in the morning or late afternoon because the sun is very hot. If you're coming in the midday like today, I am right here around 2 p.m. So you need to choose the best time to visiting in the Grand Palace so you can enjoy your time to walking around. As you can see now, the tourists are starting to coming already in Thailand in different nationality. But imagine if the Thailand would be cancelled or the quarantine, which is open freely for travelers to enter to Thailand. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, this is the newest tunnel that it just finished not long ago. Maybe you have not known about this because it just finished and opening a few months ago. This tunnel is connecting you from the other side. If you are embarking from the Chao Phraya River, you can walking by using this tunnel connecting to the Grand Palace. So you don't need to crossing on the street. And I hope you enjoy this today video that's showing you about the Grand Palace. And we are waiting here for if you're planning to enter to Thailand, either here or later. Don't forget to checking our package below there, and we are here to welcome you to Thailand again. If you have just meeting my video first time, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ